Hi, I'm Amy, and this is A Lolly Life, and today we are talking about stains, like clothing stains. I have a couple of tips for you as far as how to treat the stains on your clothes. But mostly, I have the best tip for how to treat the stains on your clothes, because you know that if you go out there and you look up how to treat chocolate, you go to one place and it'll say, do this, and you know, it has like these list of steps, and then you go to a different place and it says, oh no, don't do that, do this, and it lists a different set of steps. And if you go to a third place, then it says, oh, that's not a good idea. The only way to clean chocolate is to do this, and it lists a different set of steps. Yeah, so I know how to fix that problem. First of all, we're going to talk about the fact that there are three kinds of stains. Three kinds of stains. One of them is grease stains. And that's the easiest because it's grease. Like grease. Grease. Yeah, grease stains. The second one is protein stains. And protein stains would include things that came from something that was alive. Like milk and dairy. Okay, milk and dairy, that's okay. So dairy, milk product, I think that would include formula, and blood, because it came from something that was alive, and sweat, and mud. And I don't know why mud. Maybe because mud makes things grow. There we go. So mud. Mud is one of those. Grass stains would be one of those. Those are protein stains. And the third kind of stain, I believe, is called like a tannin stain, which is not a word that I normally use, tannin. I didn't really know what the name of those kinds of stains are, but I guess it's tannin. Tannin stains would include things like grapes and berries and wine and chocolate and coffee and tea. And also it would include juice, because like juice comes from berries and grapes and such. So like, yeah, juice. Juice also would fall into the tannin stains. So the reason that you need to know about these three kinds of stains is because you treat them differently. Okay, so really all you need to know is that the tannin stains, that you have to treat those with really hot water, and the other ones you treat with really cold water. So there you go. That's what you need to know. Grease and the protein stains are really cold water. Hot water is not good for them. And the tannin stains, those you treat with hottest water that you can, because that will make it go away better. Or if that's too much information, which, to be real honest, it's too much information. Like, not in the too much information way, but like in the too much information I don't really care way. Okay. Then you just go to the store and you buy some kind of a stain pre-treater, and you just spray the stain and hope for the best. And if it doesn't come out the first time, then you treat it again and you send it through the wash again. And if it doesn't come out the second time, then treat it with something different and wash it again. And if it doesn't come out the third time, just go buy something else. Like seriously, it's just like not worth the effort. I'll see you next time on A Lolly Life.